Hi, I'm Miss Tracey with the Louisville Public Library, and each week I will be bringing you our Relaxation Reading Club program. Now, the last week of each month, the last video of each month, there will be a grab bag to go along with the video. And what that means is there will be a little bag for you to go and pick up at the library building, and it will have all of the craft supplies and everything you need in that bag to make the craft in the video for that week. So continue to watch the rest of this video to see what fun, amazing, and relaxing things we are doing this week. Hello kids, this week's Relaxation Reading Club is all about robots and artwork. For the first part of the video, you're going to watch a nice art show, and you're going to see a few of the robots that we have at the library creating their own artful masterpieces. I hope you liked watching the robots create their artwork. We had a lot of fun helping them make their art. Now we're going to do our really fun craft for the week. I'm going to show you at home how to make your own robot artist with items that you have around the house. Now what you'll need to make this craft this week is some paper, markers, and I know I normally always say use crayons or markers or colored pencils. This week you really want to definitely use markers. Crayons really don't apply enough pressure to the paper to leave marks, so definitely go for markers this week. And you'll want some kind of disposable cup. It can be like a plastic Solo cup or a styrofoam cup. I just have a little paper cup here. And then you're also going to want some Scotch tape, or any type of tape really will work for this week's craft. Now, one key part to our craft this time is a battery operated toothbrush. Now I know most people have this at home. If you do not, be creative. Maybe you got a smartwatch that vibrates. Maybe you got a smaller size cell phone. Find something that gives a little bit of a vibration to it. That's what you're looking for. And anything like that will definitely work to make your robot create its own art. To start off, I like to start off by giving the robot a fun little face. He's not a robot unless he has a robot face. So take one of your markers and be creative. Give him a cool looking robot face. See, I gave mine square eyes, a little plus sign nose, and some robot teeth. Your next step, you're going to want to tape your markers onto your cup. Now as you tape them on, take the caps off. And you want to tape them to make sure the tip is touching the paper. I only have 3 markers. You could do 4 or 5 markers. It doesn't matter. The main thing is just make sure the tip of the marker is touching the paper. Now the next part. You're going to take your toothbrush or your item that you have that vibrates, and you might even need to go get some scissors or something. I didn't have to for this. I can just kind of poke a hole right down through, but I'm going to shove my toothbrush down in, and then I'm going to hit the button to turn it on. And there, as you push your item in, you might have to make some adjustments to your cup. Be creative, make it your own, and watch your robot vibrate and move around the paper to make his own artwork. And to show you my robot's masterpiece. So have fun with it, be creative. If you get a chance, take some pictures of how your robot worked. Maybe show me what item you used to make him vibrate and move around the paper, and send it to us on Facebook. I'd love to see your artwork. Thank you for joining me this week, and tune in next week as we have more fun and more fun crafts. Bye. Thank you so much again for watching the video and joining me this week for more relaxation and fun. Please remember to leave some comments on the video or in the watch party. And also, please go ahead and comment how many people are with you that are watching the video, especially if you are in a classroom watching the video. Knowing the number of viewers we have really does help support the library, and we'd appreciate it. So join me next week for more fun and relaxation, and I hope you all stay safe and healthy. Don't forget to mask up. Bye.